Okay, so I'm making a bit of a weird recipe today, but don't toss it until you've tried it. So we're going to make scrambled eggs with protein. Now it's kind of like a sweet version of your traditional scrambled eggs, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants a protein-rich breakfast but prefers something sweet over savory. Now it's pretty simple, so all you're going to need is your protein of choice. I'm going to be using banana. I'm going to be using a little bit of cinnamon. I've got 4 whole eggs here, and I've got about 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, which I'll mix in with my eggs. Now to make this one, first we have to mix our protein powder and our milk together. So pop it into your Happy Whey shaker, shake it up until it's well combined, and then you're literally just going to add all of these ingredients into a bowl, mix it with a whisker, and then pour that into a prepared fry pan, which you've greased with some coconut oil. Stir it occasionally until you get your desired consistency. Now I'm going to pop mine on some toast. You can have it just on its own.